everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see the friend requests you have sent on Facebook and how to cancel them if you want. Let's get started. First, open the official Facebook app and sign into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the Friends option. Here you will see all the friend requests that other people have sent to you. To find the ones you have sent, tap on See All. Next, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. A small menu will appear. Select View Sent Requests. Now you will see a full list of all the friend requests you have sent that have not been accepted yet. If you want to cancel any of them, simply tap Cancel and the request will be removed instantly. And that's it. Now you know how to check and cancel sent friend requests on Facebook.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.